He said what? Well, Joe, don't lie to me. Did you trim the hedges or not? If he's upset, there's a reason. What? Run that by me again. What do you mean he's not going to pay? He refuses to pay? Well, then, I guess it's my call here, so I'm going to go after the next. This is my decision. Do the usual, number 6. Cut off his balls, put it in a jar, and mail it first class to his wife. That'll get some fucking money out of him. God. Hi, folks. Francis Esquire the 6th. Here to tell you at Lawnmower Men here. We are thriving in business. I say that every week because we are. Here we are here at the end of the summer months. Just getting wrapped up here in September. Trim the final hedges, and soon it'll be leaf raking season. And you make sure to call us indeed. That'd be fantastic. Absolutely. Francis, I couldn't stop him. Oh, wait a minute. This is a closed shed. What in God's name are you doing here?
Listen to me, you stupid son of a bitch. You stole my time slot, and I want it back.
Oh, really, huh? That's how it's gonna work. Doing your goddamn blowjobs, huh? You like blowjobs? I'm gonna show you a little bit piece of the blowjob. You son of a bitch. How do you like this, huh?
Get off my...
They're off my fucking dick.
Son of a bitch. Make a pancake out of your goddamn boots. Ah!
Christ almighty.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Well, that's quite enough of this year. Quite enough indeed.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Whew. I had enough. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can get up here. You're quite an action star, sir. Very nice, very nicely done.
Oh, you're quite a sport. I tell you, you're pretty tough. I give you a lot of credit. And one of these as well.